Understanding estate planning and insurance is a bit like protecting a treasure that means a lot to you, your legacy. Estate planning is like carefully organizing your things and wishes so they go where you want them to. It's making sure your special story keeps going just how you like. When you also have insurance, it's like having a strong safety net. Insurance can help with money things like bills and taxes, so that what you leave behind stays valuable. It's like having a comfy cushion to make sure your legacy lives on, even if things change. In today's video, we will uncover the secrets of a topic that truly impacts us all: estate planning and insurance. Have you ever wondered how to ensure your efforts and achievements stay safe for your loved ones? This video is like a treasure map that guides you through these important subjects. Estate planning and insurance join forces to protect what you've built, your legacy. We're about to dive into this world and uncover all the details that matter. So are you ready to embark on a journey that secures your cherished possessions for the future? Let's get started on this enlightening path. Unveiling estate planning. Estate planning is like making a special plan for the things you care about, so they stay safe and sound. A bit like organizing a treasure chest. It's not just about rules and laws. It's about how you want things to be when you're not here. Estate planning includes many important things like wills, trusts, and powers of attorney. All of this is about making sure your stuff goes where you want it to go, so your family doesn't have to worry. It's like making sure your special treasures go to the right people, just the way you want them to. The role of insurance in estate planning. Now, let's take a closer look at how estate planning and insurance work together, like two good friends who always watch out for each other. Insurance is like a safety net, a bit like a cozy blanket that keeps your loved ones warm. It's there to help them with money when they really need it. When you include insurance in your estate plan, it's like adding an extra layer of protection. This extra layer helps cover things like bills and taxes, so the special things you've worked hard for don't lose their value. It's like making sure everything you leave behind stays safe and cared for, just like you would want. Identifying your objectives. The very first thing to do is think about what you really want. It's like deciding what you want to do on a special day. With your estate plan, you might want different things, like making sure your family is okay, helping causes you care about, or making sure you don't pay too much in taxes. These things you want are like stars in the sky, showing you the way. When you have clear goals, it's like having a special map to follow. These goals will help you make the right choices and lead you on a path that's just right for you. Crafting a solid will. At the center of your estate plan is an important paper called a will. This paper is like a special note that says what should happen to your things when you're not here anymore. It's really important to be very clear and careful when you write it. It's a bit like drawing a picture with words so everyone understands. You want to make sure your family knows exactly what to do. So take your time and think about every detail. Writing your will is like telling a story where every part is full of love. Your will helps make sure your things go where you want them to go, even when you're not here. It's like a special way to show your family how much you care about them. Exploring trusts. Trusts are like a powerful tool that gives you extra control over how your things are shared. They're like a special safe where you can keep your treasures, making sure they go to the right people at the right time. With trusts, you can even write down specific rules for how things should be shared, like having a special guidebook. This is a way to protect your legacy from anything that might go wrong. There are lots of different kinds of trusts, each one made to fit different needs. Some are like flexible plans that you can change, and others are like giving back to the community while still taking care of your loved ones. Powers of attorney and healthcare directives. Estate planning is more than just things. It's also about who you trust and making sure your voice is heard. It's like having a team of helpers who know what you want, even if you can't say it yourself. When you choose powers of attorney and healthcare directives, it's like picking people you know will do things just the way you would. They're like your advocates, your champions, ready to make choices about money and health if you can't. It's a bit like having a backup plan, a safety net that ensures everything keeps going as you'd want, no matter what happens. Life insurance, a strategic tool. Life insurance is like a special strategy in estate planning, and it's all about looking after the people you care about, even when you're not here. It's like sending them a hug and a promise that you'll always be there for them. With life insurance, you make a plan so that when you're not here anymore, your loved ones get a special gift, like a magic coin that appears at just the right time. This special gift can help with things that pop up suddenly, like paying for important things or replacing the money you'd bring home. It's like making sure your family's life continues just like it would if you were still around. Types of life insurance. When it comes to life insurance, there are two main kinds. Think of them like two different ways to help your loved ones even after you're gone. The first one is called term life insurance. It's like a safety net for a certain period, a bit like a warm blanket that covers your family when they need it most. Then there's the second type, which is like a lifelong friend. It's called permanent life insurance. This one is special because it's there for your family no matter when you're not around anymore. It's like planting a seed that grows into a tree of support. And over time, this kind of insurance can even gather some extra money, like a treasure that gets bigger and bigger. Tax implications and minimization. Taxes can be like surprise obstacles that can change things. But with the right plans and smart insurance ideas, you can make things easier for your family. It's like building a shield to protect your special things from taxes. Estate planning can help with this, and adding insurance solutions is like adding more protection. There are different types of taxes, like estate taxes and gift taxes, that might happen when you're not here. By understanding these things, you're like a hero looking out for your family. It's a bit like turning a cloudy day into a sunny one, where your family can keep more of what's important. Regular reviews and updates. Just like how things change as you grow, your special plan for your stuff should change too. It's a bit like when your clothes don't fit anymore, you need new ones. Your plan needs to adjust too, like adding new parts to a story. You know, your family and your money might change over time. Your family might get bigger, or you might care about new things. That's why it's really important to look at your plan sometimes. It's like trying on your shoes to make sure they still fit. You want everything to be just right. Estate planning and insurance aren't like pictures that stay the same forever. They're more like living things that need to change and grow with you. Think of it like figuring out a unique puzzle. When you combine these two elements, it's akin to constructing a solid shield for your cherished possessions. You can look after your family, ensure the safety of your belongings, and even create a positive impact on the world. Here's a gentle reminder. The key to a successful strategy lies in understanding your desires, seeking guidance from professionals, and staying ahead of changes. It's akin to building a robust foundation for a sturdy house. By following these steps, you're ensuring that your plan thrives and your story remains radiant, just as you intend. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let us know your opinions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.